HP Chromebook 11G5 11.6 inches Chromebook X9U01UT Review deal discount unboxing setup. Speed through work and assignments with the trusted processing power of an Intel Celeron processor. Create an interactive learning experience. Easily take this thin and light HP Chromebook 11 wherever learning takes you. Collaborate easily on the HP Chromebook 11. Optimize Google Hangouts and video collaboration with noise suppression. Purchase 2 of these as Christmas gifts for family members. One uses computers infrequently, the other has a business. Both were very happy with the quick setup. It's pretty much pushing the power and entering in your email information. They both love the integration of Google Docs and other Google apps so seamlessly within the computer too. It's relatively lightweight. 2 or 3 USB ports with no CD drive. And the price and quick delivery through Prime can't be beat. Definitely worth the purchase. I've had this laptop for about half a year now and it's holding up great. The screen isn't scratched, nor is the casing. It's a nice little laptop if you're just looking to use it for schoolwork or personal writing. The casing feels a little cheap, but it hasn't caused any issues, so I don't mind. Special discounts on product. Get the discount link in the description box.